Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to play Infinite Craft at Neal.fun with all recipes possible. So, Neal.fun features a collection of fun and educational interactive web experiences including games, simulations, and visualizations. And one of its games is what we call Infinite Craft. Well, from the name itself, it's a crafting game where you can make anything. So without further ado, let the fun start. Let us click on this one. So first, this is what it looks like. So if you're not used to a very bright visual, you can actually change the mode here into dark mode, just like that. So as you can see, or night mode, so as you can see, it has changed and I'm actually more used to this kind of visual. So I'm just going to let it that way. So yeah, as you can see here, we have to start from four elements. So we have water, fire, wind, and earth. So basically what we need to do is to just combine these words and we'll be able to create more words here. So let's say for example, if we combine fire and water, we were able to create a new word which is steam. And then what if we combine earth and fire? Oh, okay, that's lava. Yeah, that actually makes sense. And then what if we combine wind and steam? Oh, okay. So you can actually guess what word will come out just from combining these words. So let's say wind and earth. Okay, so we have dust here already. What about lava and lava? Volcano. Okay. What about volcano and lava? Eruption. Okay. What about if we try to combine steam and eruption? Do you have a guess what word it will make? I don't have an idea. Geyser. Okay. What is geyser? This is actually one of the good things about this game. If English is not your mother tongue and you're just trying to somehow improve your vocabulary, this is actually a fun game to start with. So yeah, what is geyser? Geyser. Oh, okay. So it's a hot spring. All right, yeah. We have just added that to our word bank. And then what if we try to combine eruption and water? Okay, lava. All right. What about wind and cloud? Storm. Okay. What about storm and geyser? Volcano. Okay. What about storm and lava? Volcano. What about dust and dust? Sand. Okay. That makes sense. What about sand and storm? Sandstorm. Dune. Okay, yeah. And then what about fire and dune? Sand. Fire and sand. Glass. Glass? Okay. Is it made of fire and whatever? Okay. So what if we combine wind and steam? Cloud, okay? What if we combine earth and volcano? Lava. What else? Glass and sand. Hourglass. Oh. Okay, that's so creative. What about hourglass and eruption? Oh, okay. What about hourglass? Volcano and volcano. Mountain. What about mountain and dune? Sand. Okay. What about mountain and glass? Crystal. Oh, okay. What about crystal and hourglass? Time. Oh, time and volcano. Eruption. What about time and lava? Rock. Okay. What about rock and rock? Stone. What about rock and stone? Rock stone. Boulder. Okay. What about dust and boulder? Stone. What about let's see. Steam and boulder. Volcano. What about time and water? Tide. Tide. Okay. Okay. I'm actually thinking how it came up with tide. I don't know. Okay, so what about we add or we combine crystal and sand glass? Oh yeah, we already did that earlier. What about crystal and cloud? Snow. Okay. What about snow and tide? Iceberg. What about iceberg and eruption? Ice. What about ice and volcano? Ice cream? Oh, okay. Is that because volcano is like a cone? That's so funny. Okay, but I like that. What about ice cream and stone? Rocky Road. Okay, it's getting funnier, guys. It's getting funnier. And this is what I like about this game. It gets fun, it gets funnier, it gets more fun as you combine more words together. So, what else? What about Rocky Road and Tide ice cream? What about Rocky Road and Uh, lava. Volcano. Okay. What about ice cream and ice cream? Ice cream cone. Okay. What about ice cream cone and cloud? Rainbow. Rainbow. Okay. What about volcano and rainbow? Unicorn. Hmm. Okay. Volcano and rainbow. Unicorn. What about unicorn and rainbow? I think we're gonna get gay here. Oh no, double rainbow. What about double rainbow plus double rainbow? Rainbow. Okay, that makes sense. What about rainbow and no? Okay. What about rainbow and June? Mirage. Okay. What about mirage and storm? Sandstorm. Sandstorm and hourglass. Time. What else? What about unicorn and time? Time machine. What about time machine and volcano? Dinosaur. I guess we can go back in time and see some dinosaurs. What about dinosaur and unicorn? Dragon. What about dragon and dinosaur? Dragon. Okay. What about dragon and dragon? Dragon egg? Oh, okay. Yeah, I know. I know how it came up with that word. What about um dragon egg and rock? Dragon and snow. Yeti. What about yeti and glass? Snowman. Do you want to build a snowman? Okay, stop. What about snowman and iceberg? Snow. What about snow and earth? Snowman. What about geyser and what else? Time machine. Dinosaur. Okay, what about dinosaur and hmm, what about dragon and unicorn? Dragon corn. Okay. And then what about crystal and crystal? Gem. Gemstone. Oh, diamond. Diamond and dinosaur. T-Rex. Okay. What about T-Rex and unicorn? Okay. I don't know what I'm trying to make here. Dinosaur and what about dinosaur and double rainbow? Unicorn. What about unicorn and glass? Mirror. Mirror and mirror. Kaleidoscope. Ooh. Kaleidoscope and dragon corn. Rainbow. Rainbow and snowman. Oh, it's loading. What? What? Okay. Why? Let's try this one. Snowman and snowman. Snowman. Rainbow and diamond. Unicorn. Kaleidoscope and unicorn. Rainbow. T-Rex and rainbow. Unicorn. Time machine and dinosaur. T-Rex. Yeti and what else? Kaleidoscope. Abominable snowman. Okay. And gem. Yeti. What about abominable snowman? I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Abominable snowman and iceberg. Yeti. Yeti and Yeti. Yeti and T-Rex. Hmm. Abominable snowman and snowman. Yeti. Yeti and unicorn. Bigfoot. Bigfoot? Okay. Bigfoot and dragon. Yeti. Bigfoot and gem. What? Okay. Yeti. What is Yeti? Let me just try. Oh, Yeti. Oh, so that's how you pronounce it? Yeti? Oh no. Small man like animal. Yet. Oh, I see. Okay. What else do we have? What about Bigfoot and Mirage? Okay. What about ice cream cone and ice cream? What about Rocky Road and Dragon Egg? Dragon. What about ice cream cone and mirror? Vanity. Oh. What about Vanity and Bigfoot? We always get Yeti. Yeti and Yeti. Vanity and Abominable Snowman. See, we always get Yeti. How about time and time and time machine? Time travel. Yeah, how didn't I think of that? What about time travel and crystal? Time crystal. Time crystal and T-Rex. Dinosaur. Time crystal and time travel. Time machine. Time machine and vanity. Narcissus. Narcissus and Bigfoot. Yeti again. Yeti and dragoncorn. Yeah, dragon. Yeah, dragon and T-Rex. Yeah, dragon. Okay. Yeah, dragon and gem. Diamond. Diamond and sandstorm. Glass. Narcissus and glass. Mirror. Mirror and vanity. Narcissus. Narcissus. What else? Dragon and dragon egg. Dragon. Dragon and dragoncorn. Dragoncorn. Dragoncorn and what else do we have? Tide. Ice cream. Why? Ice cream. Dragonfly. Dragonfly and Yeti. Bigfoot. Bigfoot and what else do we have? Fire. Sasquatch. Sasquatch and wind. Bigfoot. Volcano and doom. Mars. Now we're on Mars. Mars and time travel. Marty McFly? What about Marty McFly plus Sasquatch? Okay, Marty McFly plus Mars. Martian. I think we'll be able to make Star Wars here. Martian and time travel. Doctor Who. Doctor Who and Dragonfly. Doctor Fly. Doctor Fly and Martian. Alien. Alien and Alien and fire. UFO. UFO and wind. Flying saucer. Flying saucer. Flying saucer and water. Fish. Fish and fish and fish. Shark. Shark and shark. Whale. Whale and whale. Whale. Whale and Narcissus. Narwhal. Narwhal and Bigfoot. Unicorn. Narwhal and narwhal. Narwhal and fish. Narwhal and UFO. What? Okay. Unicorn and shark. Whale and flying saucer. Dr. Fly and Bigfoot. Yeti. We're back to Yeti. So this is pretty much it, guys. So we were able to create 6 to 8 items here, as you can see. And you can even make more if you have more time to spare. This is how you make fun at Infinite Craft at Neal.fun. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you on our next video.